Kia ora, ko Stella he Chung tōku ingoa. Ko kore ana te whakapaparanga mai, ko sau te whenua tupu, ko tamaki makoro te kāinga no sau korea o, kei Mairangi Bay tamaki makoro o e noho ana, he Head of Strategic Partnerships o I Eco-Choice Aotearoa, ko Stella he Chung. Learning te reo Māori as a Korean migrant feels like coming full circle. Both our cultures understand walking backwards into the future with our eyes fixed on the past, that ancestors guide us forward. I'm still very much a beginner. I stumble over pronunciation and sometimes feel like a fraud in te reo spaces. But I work in sustainability and social justice and kept finding myself in rooms making decisions about Aotearoa's future without understanding the indigenous knowledge systems that should be at the centre. My father gave me the name Stella when we moved to Aotearoa 29 years ago, knowing it would be one less cognitive burden in rooms not designed for migrants like us. Learning te reo has taught me what it truly means to be a treaty partner. As Koreans, we know what it means to fight for language. It's the soul of resistance and survival of people. Every word in te reo carries whakapapa. Every phrase holds responsibility. I know how much it matters to get it right, and it can feel scary because I know what it feels like when others get my culture wrong. For me, learning te reo has been my pathway to finally calling this place home. Not just to New Zealand, but Aotearoa. To migrants like me. We have a responsibility to understand the foundations of this whenua. Kia kaha Aotearoa, kia kaha te reo Māori, kia kaha toitu te tiriti. Let's keep learning together.